this video I will discuss with you opinion writing. So in opinion writing, the question is, what is a fact and what is an opinion? What are facts? Facts can be proven to be true or false. Today is a Monday and facts can apply to all people and places. People must eat to live. Fact can be duplicated over and over with the same result. Yellow and blue make green. Fact can be observed or historical. The Civil War occurred from 1861 to 1865. So these all are facts. And the opinions are a person on thoughts, feelings, beliefs and speculation. Opinion can't be proven and are not 100% true or false. Examples of opinion is: it is a beautiful day outside. Green beans are the best tasting vegetable. The Harry Potter series is best book of all time. So these are the opinions. When you give a suggestion to anyone, it means it's an opinion. So where you find facts, Elman's dictionary and newspaper, non-fiction books, textbooks, primary sources, information from photographer, letters, speech, treasury, art, journal. So these are the might find facts about this. What might you find opinion? Opinion is come from self-help book, political speech, editorial, autobiography and ads. So you can find the opinion from these sources. And the quiz. Identify which part of a newspaper are fact and which are opinion. So this is the quiz about you. You can see that which is opinion and which is a fact. So we can see that birth wedding announcement is fact or opinion. You can decide it. Movie time is opinion. Sports sources is opinion. Restaurant review is opinion. Weather forecast is a fact. And birthday wedding announcement is a fact. Movie review is opinion. Letter to the edit is a fact. So these are the facts and opinion which I discussed with you. Opinion is essay. So what is an opinion essay? What is the purpose of an opinion essay? Why will an author write an opinion essay? What are some times you might want to written an opinion essay? Who might read an opinion essay? Whose opinion will you be interested in reading? Who will be interested in reading your opinions? So what is the Oreo method of writing an opinion essay? So this is the method which I discussed in the next video. In this video I discuss 13 slides with you in which I tell you what is fact and opinion. So these are the facts which I discussed with you and these are the opinion, and this is the fact find where facts are coming, and this is all about where opinion coming from, and this is the quiz for you, and this is the opinion essay. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss with you what is the Oreo method of writing an opinion essay. Thank you so much.